There are people who are evil out there. There are people that you're supposed to forgive. But there are people who are agents of evil forces, of the dark world. How do you forgive such people? Listen to this. I'm not blowing my own horn, right? You go anywhere and everywhere. When I meet people, first question, umdletshe uzalo wangabuyeli kuzalo. People still would like to see ubaba umdletshe on uzalo. You know what I'm saying? But it is what it is, bro. It is what it is.
Do you think there are people in this industry who like influence?
There are. Going back to my colleague, my wife, Manzuza. Apparently, I heard her from another source, right? From within, very close colleague. When she apparently left Uzalo, she resigned because reasons that she put forth was such that I won't be able to work. No, Glenn Gabel. And
she didn't like you.
She didn't.
And it happened.
But it happens. Yeah.
Like I don't click with you.
Absolutely. You know. And she took it further from the very same source. Apparently, she had threatened to go to the SABC to blacklist me so that SABC should never ever work with me.
That's deep. Again. Does he have that power? Or was just maybe saying it out of?
I don't know what happened. I don't know whether she did. You know, go forth with that threat, and you know. But it is what it is. You know what I'm saying? I was devastated.
You lost your job.
Yeah. I was living with my mom. My mom was elderly, right? She was very sickly, right? My daughter was in grade 7 back then.
Wow.
Right? Now, I'm the sole breadwinner. I'd put all my baskets, all my eggs in this one basket. Okay? Now, if the carpet is pulled under your feet, you know what I'm saying? What do? Depression, Ibrahim, I was attacked by depression for 3 months. I lay flat on my back. I couldn't do anything.